Hello everyone, welcome back to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Today I am making a traditional festive sweet, crispy mini atta khaja. Flaky, crunchy and lightly sweetened. A perfect tea time or celebration treat. In a bowl, add 1 cup atta, 2 tablespoons sesame seeds, half teaspoon cardamom powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 2 tablespoons ghee. Sesame seeds add a natural nutty flavor and extra crispiness. Mix well. Using atta makes this recipe slightly healthier than traditional maida khaja. Add 1/3 cup water. Knead into a dough. Rub some ghee on top and keep aside for 10 minutes. Prepare the layering mixture, 3 tablespoons atta and 2 teaspoons ghee. Mix into a smooth paste. Khaja is one of the oldest Indian layered sweets, loved for its crunch. For sugar syrup, take half cup sugar, half cup water, a pinch of saffron. Mix well and boil for 4 to 5 minutes. Keep aside. Now divide the dough in 5 equal portions. Roll each of the dough. Spread the atta ghee mixture. Repeat the process. The dough must be soft but firm enough to hold layers. Spread the atta ghee paste evenly for perfect flakiness. Roll again. Now fold the dough as shown and cut into small khaja pieces. Fry in medium heated oil. Always fry on medium heat to avoid burning the layers. Fry until golden brown and crispy. Dip the hot khaja into warm sugar syrup. Dip in warm sugar syrup, not hot, for a light coating. Atta provides fiber and makes this sweet easier to digest. Sesame seeds are rich in calcium and healthy fats. And top with pistachios. Khaja stays crunchy for days if stored in an airtight container. Cardamom helps digestion and adds natural aroma. Homemade sweets reduce preservatives and excess additives. Your crispy mini atta khaja is ready. Flaky layers, perfect crunch, and a beautiful festive sweetness. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and comment. Tell me which traditional sweets you want next. Stay with Innovent Cake and Cookies for more homemade wonders.